Hello students, this is Nisha here from Sri Kolhapuri Doll School, Chennai. It gives me immense pleasure in launching an exclusive website for my students. So this website, let me tell you what will be there in the website and how can you all access as a student or as a visitor. Fine. So the website name is Sri Kolhapuri Doll School. SRIKOLHAPURIDOLLSCHOOL. So I'm sharing all the details in the comment section also, so do not worry. There is no change in the name, no change in the number, only the website. I'm launching an exclusive website which is for my existing students and the future students. So what will this website have? This website will have all the details about the online and the offline courses that I am conducting. And through this website, I will also be conducting live online classes for new students and existing students. So all the existing students, the respective access will be given according to your email ID. So if you log in now, you will be able to, if you just connect, if you go to the website, you will be able to see the login option, and with your email ID, you will be able to log in. I am yet to give access to all my students. The work just launched the website. I thought I will share with all my lovely students the good news first. So through the backend, I will be giving access. So this is a new phase, right? So there might be some challenges. It's as it is a new phase. So do not worry if you are not able to view some of the courses or you're not able to have access, etc. So everything will be sorted out. So we are working on that. What is the second thing? If you are an existing student, you will be given access to the respective courses that you have already bought from us. And you will also be able to view all the other courses which are there. If you wish to buy, you can buy online itself. So all the options are there like an e-commerce platform. And for all my existing students and new students, or for people who buy raw materials from us, so there is a separate tab in the name of raw materials. So you can click on that tab and see all the materials with price details. So if you wish to buy, you can just click on add to cart and then buy all the materials, and we will automatically get notification. So this will be useful and helpful for you, because in the current system, you are contacting us through WhatsApp, and sometimes you place the order and then the items are missed, you miss to add this item, or all these challenges we will overcome, because everything is coming online. So it will take another 10 to 15 days maximum, but as of now, you all will be able to view the list of items in the raw material section, and you will also be able to view all the materials and the do-it-yourself kit details. So for example, if you want to buy Radha Krishna making do-it-yourself kit, you will be able to see what are all the items available, and a promotional video as well. So you will know what is there in the kit and how can you access all that. So I think this will make my students life easy to access the modules, because we had lots of challenges in the previous module, right? So many people were telling me that, ma'am, we are not able to log in. Every time it is asking you to reset the password. So lots of challenges were there because it was a third-party application. Now this is my own website, and I am sure that this will not have any challenges. Maybe in another 10 days till I give you all access. Till then there might be challenges, and after that it is going to be a smooth sail for all my students, existing students and the future students as well. So share this with all your known contacts. Let them go through what are all the courses available. And if anybody is wishing to take or learn doll making online, this will be the right platform. And also go through the raw material category. Only if you all go through, I will know where is the problem, what is missed, what I have to add, etc., etc. So you are all my students and well wishers. So go through this platform and give me your suggestion. I'm waiting to see your input from all of you. I will see you through the online platform again. As of now, signing off with a happy note, launching an exclusive website, which is a dream come true for me, for my own students. See you then. Bye bye.